Hello my dear doctors, this is Dr. Azam here, your faculty of anatomy at DocTutorials. Actually, most of the students have sent me messages and they have been inquiring like how the preparation has to be done in the last 2 months, how the preparation has to be done in the 6 months period of time and all. The one solution for that, like me along with 18 national level faculties are coming to your city for the face-to-face classes at our DTLC centers. A chance to meet all the 19 national level faculties in which there will be conceptual and clinical learning. Our sessions will give you a precise workbook that will be a beautiful content for you up till your exams. And the second most important thing is, yes, we are going to conduct subject-wise tests after every subject in which you will be learning the solving questions and even the most important thing, the time management, how to solve questions in that particular given amount of time. And after that, most of the people are worried just before the exam, like how to do the preparation just in 2 months before the exam. We have a solution for that. We are going to conduct a QRP session where yes, our own faculties are going to teach you the entire subject in the less time and the entire revision will be done. So in this manner, at our DocTutorial DTLC centers, we have a holistic approach. All these sessions are workbook based. After every session, after every subject, we'll be having a subject-wise test as well as QRP session, and then you will be getting the access to our entire DocTutorials app till your exam. So what are you waiting for? All your queries will be solved, and yes, of course, all these faculties will be having a hand-holding experience along with you till your exam. All the best.